Make your building safer and stronger. Setting a new standard in building maintenance. The K Housing. Noisy, slippery, and unsafe. This was the old parking lot flooring method. A parking lot flooring solution that reduces noise and enhances safety. Hybrid and coat. Low noise, non-slip, and durability all in one. Compared to conventional coatings, hybrid and coat is easier to clean and maintain. Its non-slip technology reduces disruptive noise, while preventing fire spread and toxic gas release, helping avoid major hazards. Unlike ordinary coatings that peel or wear out quickly, Hybrid and Coat delivers long-lasting abrasion resistance, standing up to heavy traffic without wearing down. Here's how the Hybrid and Coat process works. First, the floor surface is leveled and prepared. Then, cracks are repaired and primer is applied. Next, an epoxy lining is added. The Hybrid and Coat non-slip system is applied to driving areas, with an extra coat applied to high-friction zones like ramps and intersections. Finally, parking lines and finishing touches complete the project. Hybrid and Coat, a hybrid organic-inorganic floor coating, is a premium solution born from advanced technology and top-quality materials. Certified non-flammable and backed by patents, Hybrid and Coat is proven superior. Its proven quality has led to successful exports across 18 countries worldwide. Visible perfection, delivered by quiet yet powerful technology. Premium floor coating, Hybrid and Coat.